Hi, welcome to the channel Quick Math. In today's session, we see how to find factors of a number. First, let us know what is a factor. A factor is a number which divides another number exactly, that is, the remainder must be 0. Or also, we can say factors are numbers when multiplied together gives the desired result. Now let us see with some examples how to find factors of a number in both the ways. First, I have taken some example 16 and 24 here. First, let us find the factors for 16. 1 multiplied by 16 gives 16. So here, whenever you want to find factors of any number, always we have to follow the sequential order. Sequential order means if you start with the number 1, the next number will be 2 and the next will be 3 and the next will be 4. So this order we will call it as sequential order. In order to get our result, that means in order to get our answer as 16, our result as 16, we have to multiply with 1. Which number if you multiply with 1 you will get 16, that we have to check. So here I am taking the product of the two numbers which gives the result as 16. So the first number is 1. As we said, we have to follow the sequential order. So 1 multiplied by 16 gives 16, and in the same manner the next number after 1 is 2. Here also if we multiplied 2 by 8 we get 16, that means 2 8s are 16. Next, if you after 2 the number is 3. 16 is not divisible by 3 because if you see the divisibility rule for 3, 1 plus 6 equals to 7. 7 is not divisible by 3. So 16 is not divisible by 3. Next, after 3 the number is 4. If you multiply 4 by 4, that means 4 4s are 16. So here we got our result as 16. After 4 the number is 5. 16 is not divisible by 5 because according to the divisibility rule, if we have 0 or 5 in the units place, then the number is divisible by 5. If you see here we have 16. 16 is not divisible by 5. So next after 5 it is 6. 16 is not divisible by 6. And next 7. 16 is not divisible by 7. And next one is 8. Here already we have written 2 8s are 16. So 2 8s are 16, or also we can say 8 2s are 16 because 2 into 8 or 8 into 2 gives the same result 16. In the multiplication the order of the numbers does not matters. And next 9. 16 is not divisible by 9. In the same way we have to check for each and every number. And next the number is 16. 16 ones are 16, or 1 multiplied by 16 also 16. Here we have the factors as 1 2 4. The arrow which we have drawn here, so it shows the direction how to see the factors. 1 2 4 8 and 16. Here no need to write 4 again because already we have taken 4. So the factors of 16 are 1 2 4 8 and 16. Now let us see the factors for 24. Now here also we are following the same thing, that is sequential order. First I am starting with 1. 1 multiplied by 24 gives 24. So here our result is 24. We have to get 24. If we want to get 24, we have to multiply 1 by 24. 1 24s are 24. Next after 1 the number is 2. Here we are multiplying by 12. 2 12s are 24. 2 12s are 24, or you can say it as 12 2s are 24. Next After 2 we will get 3. So 3 8s are 24. 3 multiplied by 8 gives 24. Next 4 6 are 24. 4 6 24. That means here we have multiplied 4 by 6 to get the result as 24. Next 24 is not divisible by 5. So we are not taking 20. We are not taking 5. Next 6. Already we have written 4 multiplied by 6 or 6 multiplied by 4 gives the result as 24 because the order of does not matters in multiplication. Next 8. 8 3s are 24. Next 12 2s are 24. 24 ones are 24. That means here we are following the direction. Here no need of writing again 8 multiplied by 3, 12 multiplied by 2 and 24 multiplied by 1 because already it is written. So now the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. These are all very small numbers, so that's why it is easy for you to find the factors of a number. Suppose if you don't know, suppose if we don't know how to find which number gives the result, here there is one more method to find the factors of a number by doing division. So here we have multiplied each number, there we will divide it, and also we can find the factors of a number. If we take any other number like 76, 74, 73, 128, 250, any number you can find a factor. So now we will see how to find the factors for a bigger number. If you take here 68, here also same, we are following the sequential order. 1 multiplied by 68 gives 68. And here if you don't know whether the 2 is a factor for 68 or not, then what we will do, we will take 68 and we will divide it by 2. You know the division, we will divide it by 2, and if we get the remainder as 0, then our number is a factor. That means here I have divided 68 by 2, I got the remainder as 0. That means 2 is a factor of 68. 2 into 34 gives 68. 2 into 34 gives 68. In the same way, we'll go for the next one. 3. If I divide the 68 by 3, we have not get the remainder as 0. So, it is not divisible by 3. And the next one is 4. If I divide it by 4, I got the remainder as 0. That means 68 is divided by 4. So it is a factor. In this manner we will find the factors one by one. Here the factors of 68 are 1, 2, 4, 17, 34 and 68. If you see, for every number the factors will be 1 and itself. If you take any number, if you take 13, if you take 16, the factors will be 1 and itself number. Any number, 1 and itself number are the factors. So now, if you know the divisibility rules, it will be easy for you to find the factors of a number. Here, no need of doing division also if you know the divisibility rules. So the divisibility rules for 2 is, if we have 0, 2, 4 or 6 or 8 in its units place, it will be divisible by 2. Next, we will go for the next one more example. That is 72. Here also we are following the same sequential order. 1 multiplied by 72 gives 72. If we don't know whether it is divisible by 2 or not, then we have to do the division. If we get the remainder as 0, we will say that is a factor for that particular number. Here I have divided, I got the remainder as 0. So 2 into 36 gives 72. Next, 3 into 24 gives 72. Here also, if I divide it by 3, I got remainder as 0. That means 3 into 24 gives 72. In the same way, we have to divide the next number, that is 4. I have divided and I got the remainder as 0. If we get the remainder as 0, that number is a factor for the number 72. Here I have tried for 5 also, but for if I do the division for 5, I got the remainder as 2. That means 72 is not divided by 5. If you know the divisibility rules, there is no need of doing all this division to check whether it is a factor of that number or not. If we don't know the divisibility rules, then we have to do the division in order to say whether it is a factor or not. Now, here 172 is 72, 236 72, 324 72, 4 18 72, 6 12 72, 8 9 72. Now we will write the factors of 72 in the sequential order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36, 72. These are all the factors of 72. As I already said, no need of writing again 9 8s, 12 6, 18 4s, 24 3s, 36 2s, 72 1s, because in the multiplication the order does not matter. As I said, the divisibility rule for 2 is if you have in a units place 0, 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, these digits if you see in any number in the units place, then you can say it is divisible by 2. So the next one, if we see the divisibility rule for 3, the divisibility rule for 3, suppose if we see the same number 72, if we take the sum of the digits, that means here the number is 72. If we take the sum of the digits means 7 plus 2. Here 7 plus 2 gives 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. That means if you don't know whether it is divisible or not, then what you will do? In 3 table, we will get the desired result or not. That means 9. 3 3s are 9. So that is the divisibility rule for 3. Divisibility rule for 3 is the sum of the digits is divisible by the number. Next we see the practice time. So you can see the questions which was given in the practice time and you can practice so that you will be thorough with the factors, how to find the factors. Here I gave the find the factors of the numbers 20, 48 and 90. So do it and I give the answers in the next slide. Just look it into it. Practice time answers. Now the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. The factors of 48 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 48. And the factors of 90 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 15, 18, 30, 45 and 90. These are all the factors whatever we have explained in this session. I have given this. So if you need more practice questions, you just message me. I will give it in the link. And also if you want to know the divisibility rules, just comment me in the comment section. I will post it. Thank you.